So today I'm going to show you how you log in as your child through the Epic Reading website. So your class teacher would have sent you an email, and this is what it should look like. Once you have received this email, you'll click on Connect to Classroom. And you'll then be asked to log in. It then gives you two options. You'll want to click on Students and Educators, and it will ask you for a class code. Your child's class codes will be written on your class site that has been shared with you. So you enter the class code. And then you'll arrive at your child's class page. Once you're on here, you can click on your child's name, and you're likely to have found an assigned book. Whenever a teacher assigns a book to your child, it will come up like this. Or you can look in the mailbox. You will have noticed there was a red bubble that came up there. And all they need to do is click on the book and start to read. The other things they can do on Epic is just explore. Your child will be very familiar with doing this in class, so they can go onto the Read to Me books, or the learning videos, or the audio books as well. So this is a great reading site for your learner to extend their reading at home. And as I mentioned, if there is any assigned tasks or reading activities or books, they will appear in the mailbox here as soon as you log in. Okay, and that's how to log into your child's Epic Reading account.